Matt Lynch, Bellinski-Lynch Group. Excited to show you our new listing here. Great home. This home was built in 2006. All updates throughout the entire house. All new flooring, new paint. Backyard has a gorgeous deck. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Feels bigger than the 2,000 square feet. Also has over 800 square feet of finished basement. You gotta come in and take a look at this home. So I hope you like the tour of Jonathan Court. Great home, like I said. Backyard has a huge deck. Great entertaining space. You're fenced in the backyard and just nice flat area out there. So you have plenty of space in the backyard as well. If you want more information on this home, give us a call at 330-416-0975.